Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC drive test. It's a beautiful day outside, but we are in self-isolation. So I asked my friends at Banggood if they would send me some things I could review in my back garden and play with in the back garden, which I thought might be of interest to you on the Essential RC YouTube channel. So I did suggest to them that they sent me a crawler, and they've taken me at my word, and this is what they've sent me. Not what I expected, but this is a Caterpillar tract type vehicle. You get everything that you need in the box to get driving with it, less the 3 AA's that you need to put in the back of the transmitter. But it's apparently it's 12th scale. It's got a number of features which they tell you about on the back here. So things like the technical spec, like bilateral independent suspension, self-adjusting tightness of front wheels and things like that. But in terms of the moves it does 360-degree pirouette, 30-degree climbing angle, 5-centimeter fording depth, and it has a 2-cell large capacity battery, so and LED glaring car lamps as well. So this should drive for quite a while in the back garden with that large capacity battery. Anyway, let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we get. So here you go, this is what you get in the box. This is the crawler. They do it in 2 schemes. This is the white scheme, and they do a grey scheme as well. Take your pick, order which one you like, both with military police on the side. So the tracks, I guess they are driven from the top wheels at the back, and then you've got suspension on these bottom wheels to take the bumps and the knocks. The battery goes in the bottom. You just have to undo that screw and use those clips to undo it. On-off switch at the bottom as well. There's the battery. The battery is a 2-cell 1200 milliamp hour 2-cell battery, quite chunky, so get a lot of power out of that. You've got a charger, USB charger for that as well, so plug it into your desktop PC or your laptop and plug in the battery at that end to charge it up. And then you've got the transmitter. So I think 3 AA's go in here. They don't give you those, so you'll have to find those yourself. Normal trigger type control as you would get with any RC car, and just a simple on-off switch and LED indicator that the power is on. As simple as that. So let's not hang around. I'll put some 3 AA's in this, charge up the battery with the provided USB lead, and let's get it outside and have a play with it and see how it goes. Right, all charged up, let's give it a go. So we turn on the transmitter, turn on underneath. Here we go. So there you go, that's the RC crawler from our friends at Banggood.com. Lots of fun in the back garden for me and for Hobbes, I think, although she is actually cream crackered now, really tired. So she's going to just have a lie down, I think, for the next half an hour. But that was a lot of fun, and it went for like 10 to 12 minutes. Quite impressive with that large capacity battery on board, and I actually put my GoPro on board as well for a bit of onboard action. So that's it. The link is in the video description and the pinned comment if you want to look up the price on Banggood.com. But thanks to Claire on camera. Thanks again to Hobbes. She's going to have a lie down and a sleep now. I'm going to have a cup of tea. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time.
Yeah.